Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Zurich streets, filled with delicious Swiss chocolate and stunning gold jewelry. Let's see how much I can find in just one day. Zurich, the picturesque city nestled in the heart of Switzerland, is renowned for its stunning streets, rich chocolate heritage, and exquisite gold jewelry. As I walk through its charming streets, the sweet aroma of Swiss chocolate and the dazzling sparkle of gold jewelry stores immediately catch my attention. The city's reputation for high-quality chocolate and luxury goods is well-deserved, and I'm excited to dive in and explore. Navigating these bustling streets can be a challenge, especially when faced with tempting chocolate shops and luxurious jewelry stores at every turn. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overspend, but I'm determined to stick to my budget and make the most of my day. The streets are lined with high-end boutiques and quaint chocolatiers, each one beckoning me to come inside and indulge. With so many options to choose from, I need to prioritize and focus on the must-try shops. As I stroll through the streets, I come across some of the most renowned chocolate shops in Zurich, like Glint and Lederach. These iconic brands are a must-visit for any chocolate lover, offering an array of mouth-watering treats that are almost too beautiful to eat. The craftsmanship and attention to detail that go into creating these chocolate masterpieces are truly impressive. From rich, velvety truffles to delicate, hand-painted creations, every piece is a work of art. In addition to the chocolate shops, I also discover some incredible jewelry stores, showcasing exquisite gold and diamond pieces that sparkle and shine. The level of craftsmanship and precision that goes into creating these luxury items is astounding. Each piece tells a story of tradition, skill, and dedication to the craft. I'm particularly drawn to the unique, handmade designs that reflect the artisan's personal touch. As I explore the streets, I stumble upon a quaint, lesser-known chocolatier tucked away in a quiet alley. The shop is called Chocolatier Zurich, and it's a hidden gem that I wouldn't have discovered if I hadn't wandered off the beaten path. The owner greets me warmly and offers me a sample of their signature chocolate, which is made with love and care using only the finest ingredients. The flavors are intense and rich, with a depth that I don't often find in mass-produced chocolates. Another hidden gem I discover is a small, family-owned jewelry store called Zurich Jewels. The store is filled with an assortment of unique, handmade pieces that reflect the owner's passion for jewelry making. I spend a few minutes chatting with the owner, learning about the inspiration behind each piece and the story of how the store came to be. It's clear that every item is crafted with love and care, making each one truly special. As I continue my walk, I'm struck by the delightful experience of indulging in Swiss chocolate and luxury jewelry. The combination of stunning architecture, rich history, and world-class craftsmanship makes Zurich a true paradise for chocolate lovers and jewelry enthusiasts alike. From the moment I stepped foot in this charming city, I knew I was in for a treat. Recapping my walk, I'm amazed by the variety of incredible chocolate shops and jewelry stores I encountered. From iconic brands to hidden gems, Zurich truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a chocolate aficionado or a jewelry connoisseur, this city is sure to leave you spoiled for choice. If you're a fellow chocolate lover or jewelry enthusiast, I'd love to hear about your favorite Swiss treats in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel adventures and city explorations. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey through Zurich streets. Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Zurich's incredible streets packed with Swiss chocolate and gold jewelry. Let's see how many treats and treasures I can find. Zurich streets are a real treat for the senses, with the aroma of Swiss chocolate wafting through the air and the sparkle of gold jewelry shining brightly in the shop windows. The allure of these two indulgences is undeniable, and I can already imagine the difficulty in choosing just which ones to try. With so many incredible chocolate shops to choose from, it's like being a kid in a candy store. You want to try everything. From classic Swiss chocolate makers to unique boutiques offering one-of-a-kind flavors, the options are endless. And then, of course, there are the jewelry stores, each one showcasing exquisite gold pieces that seem to radiate luxury and sophistication. Choosing just one or two to indulge in seems almost impossible. As I walk through the streets, I'm immediately struck by the variety of chocolate shops, each one offering its own unique take on this beloved treat. Some specialize in traditional Swiss recipes, while others push the boundaries with innovative flavors and ingredients. And then, there are the gold jewelry shops, where master craftsmen showcase their skills in creating intricate, one-of-a-kind pieces. The streets of Zurich are truly a shopper's paradise, with something to suit every taste and style. From high-end boutiques to quaint, family-owned shops, there's no shortage of amazing places to explore. I find myself wandering into a charming little chocolate shop, where I'm greeted by the friendly owner who's eager to share his passion for Swiss chocolate. One shop in particular catches my eye. It's a small, family-owned business that's been perfecting the art of Swiss chocolate making for generations. As I sample some of their delicious creations, I'm struck by the care and attention that goes into each and every piece. And then, I stumble upon a stunning gold jewelry shop, where the owner shows me some of the most exquisite pieces I've ever seen. The standout experience for me has to be a visit to a renowned chocolatier, where I get to witness the chocolate-making process firsthand. Watching the skilled artisans at work, carefully crafting each piece of chocolate, is truly mesmerizing. And, of course, getting to sample the fruits of their labor is the best part. As I wrap up my journey through Zurich's incredible streets, I'm left with a deep appreciation for the richness of its culture and shopping experience. From the world-class chocolate to the exquisite gold jewelry, there's no shortage of amazing things to see and do. Watches made in Switzerland are called chronometers and Rolex. Patek Philippe are specialities of Swiss watches and a luxury symbol, always called jewelry. On the same lines, the designer clothing stores of both Europe and US also line up alongside famous Swiss banks in Zurich. If you're a fellow chocolate lover or jewelry enthusiast, I'd love to hear about your favorite Swiss treats or jewels in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel adventures, be sure to watch my next video for more exciting explorations.